Hi, have you ever been in an accident? If so, then this is probably not going to help you.
This is a Bradley Kimura VII. It is identical to the 5 and 6, but the blade is a clip point. The blade is scientific steel, a Kershaw type steel, and the handles are 410 stainless. It has barrel spacers inside, and tang pins on the top and the bottom. It weighs very nice, it's very heavy. I really like the feel of this, very substantial. And I originally wanted to get the Tano blade, but I already have a Tano blade with my cold steel. And the Tano blade is just really, really wide. And I don't like carrying this around for an EDC, because it's just really unwieldy, and when people look at it, they're like, whoa. So the scientific steel is pretty, it's very sharp. It is extremely sharp. However, it does not hold its razor edge as good as my cold steel, which is VG1. The chromium count is very high. Makes it very strong. I have never sharpened this. I have never oiled it, and it's still ridiculously sharp. I've had this for years, and it's mostly in my EDC. Quick update on the Spiderfly CCC. I put the latch back on, Batanga style, and I put Loctite red on it. It is very nice now. It flips very well. The screws don't have any fallout, and the handle play quite decent. Another thing about the Kimura, I'm quite a bit better at manipulating the trifolder, but when I switch back and forth, my hand flails all over the place with the cold steel because it is aluminum, much lighter than the Kimura.
And that is how I save 15% on my car insurance.